Let's do a simple paper piece block with my Past Mountains pattern. Get your fabrics ready with a swatch page, print off your paper foundations, line up all your fabrics for chain piecing, and let's go. You will need template plastic and add a quarter ruler. You will need a repositionable glue and a fabric glue pen. Take your repositionable glue and place your first piece of fabric wrong side to the paper on 2 pieces of foundation. Fold back on line 1 with your template plastic, add a quarter ruler and cut. Add your second piece of fabric, section 2, right sides together using your glue pen in the seam allowance. Do the same thing to your next foundation. Once that is done, take to the sewing machine and sew at 1.5 stitch length. Press open on both sides. Fold on line 2 with your template plastic, add a quarter ruler, cut, then add section number 3 with your glue pen to secure in place. Do the same to your second piece. Then take to your sewing machine, sew once again on line number 2, and you will press once again. I prefer with iron, but you can finger press if that's what you like. Repeat the same process for all the remaining sections on both of your foundation pieces. You will end up with a completed block. Take your papers off, and you're done.